Did you know that on average, global warehouses operate with only 63% inventory accuracy? That means if your system says you have 1,000 units, you probably only have 630 units available for actual picking. And in retail, every 1% improvement in inventory accuracy can lead to a 2 to 3% increase in sales because customers can actually find what they came to buy. Welcome back to Fix My Supply Chain, where we break down real-world supply chain problems and show you how to fix them. In today's episode, we will explore why inventory accuracy fails, real-world examples of bad data, and the proven strategies to fix it once and for all. Let's start. Problem statement. Inventory is the lifeline of any supply chain. But what happens when your system doesn't match reality? Imagine this. Your ERP shows 5,000 units of a fast-moving SKU in stock. A customer places a large order. But when the picker goes to the location, only 4,200 units are physically there. Result: 800 units shortfall. Order delayed. Customer frustrated. And now you need an emergency shipment that costs 20% more. This is what inventory inaccuracy looks like. It's not just a data problem, it's a profitability and customer trust problem. Some common causes include missed or wrong barcode scans, poor cycle counting practices, receiving errors at inbound docks, misplaced items due to wrong put away, phantom inventory, system shows stock that doesn't exist, shrinkage due to theft or damage. In fact, the 2023 WRC report revealed that inventory record accuracy is still one of the top 3 challenges for warehouse managers globally. Root cause analysis. Let's dig deeper into the root causes of inventory accuracy failures. Human errors in data capture. A simple missed barcode scan at receiving means the system never registers the product. Example: a pallet of 500 units enters the warehouse, but only 400 are scanned. Your ERP thinks you have 400, reality is 500. Process failures in stock rotation, FIFO/LIFO issues. Items placed in the wrong location create mismatches between system and physical counts. Example: if your WMS thinks a batch is in aisle A, but it's sitting in aisle C, your pickers waste time and orders fail. System integration gaps. ERP, WMS, and handheld scanner systems not syncing in real time. By the time data updates, stock may already have been moved or shipped. Lack of cycle counting discipline. Many warehouses still do annual physical inventory counts, which means errors compound all year until discovered. Industry best practice. Cycle counting daily or weekly for high-value SKUs. Shrinkage and damage. Theft, expired goods, or unrecorded damages create phantom stock in your ERP. Solutions. Now, how do you fix inventory accuracy failures? Let's talk about proven solutions. 1. Automate data capture with barcode and RFID. Eliminate manual errors. Example: RFID-enabled warehouses achieve 95 to 99% accuracy versus 63% industry average. 2. Implement cycle counting programs. Don't wait for year-end audits. Focus on ABC classification. Count high-value SKUs more frequently, low-value less often. 3. Standardize receiving and put away. Every inbound pallet must be scanned, verified, and system updated immediately. Train operators on the importance of scan every time. 4. Real-time system integration. Ensure ERP, WMS, TMS, and scanners talk to each other. Cloud-based WS reduces sync delays. 5. Track and reduce shrinkage. Use CCTV, damage recording, and exception reporting. Every loss must be entered into ERP immediately. 6. Train and incentivize staff. Human behavior is key. Reward accurate scanning and handling. Example: 3PL reduced inventory errors by 30% in 6 months simply by gamifying cycle counts. Conclusion. So here's the bottom line. Inventory accuracy is not a one-time project, it's a discipline. If your data is wrong, your forecasts fail, your orders fail, your customers leave, and your profits shrink. But by combining automation, process discipline, real-time systems, and staff training, you can achieve 98 to 99% accuracy, the gold standard in supply chain. That's how you fix bad data in warehouse systems and how you fix your supply chain. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the biggest inventory accuracy challenge you faced? And stay tuned for the next episode of Fix My Supply Chain.